In front of me is iPhone 17 Pro Max, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off auto brightness. While testing this device and reading the comments or reviews, I noticed one thing. A lot of people confuse adaptive brightness with true tone. That's because true tone option is literally located under brightness slider in brightness settings on an iPhone, and auto brightness is totally not there. But I want to explain to you that auto brightness adjusts brightness of your screen depending on your surrounding so you can still see it comfortably. True tone though changes color temperature, totally different. So to manage adaptive brightness, go into settings and scroll a tiny bit to hit accessibility. Then tap on display and text size and scroll all the way down to use this switcher next to auto brightness. When your switcher is green, that means that auto brightness is on. To switch it off, use the same until it's gray. If you wanted to manage true tone instead, don't worry, I got you. Go back to main settings, scroll a little bit more and click on display and brightness here. Now use this switcher next to True Tone, located under brightness slider, to switch it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!